Regardless of the purpose, evaluating a prospect's financial health, checking its financial capital, or simply evaluating year-over-year growth, the Financial Overview page delivers insights that can help you shortlist sustainable companies at a glance. All previews deliver a perspective based on accounts filed in the last 5 years, and right in the first section, you'll get a generic financial summary that delivers metrics such as employee numbers, turnover, net assets, consolidated accounts, total assets, reporting period, EBITDA, total liabilities, working capital, profit after tax. For each row within previews, you'll notice trend charts for the entire account filing history, alongside a timeline navigation that allows exploring each metric across the years. Guided by the same functionality as the summary report, we've designed a series of previews that serve all intents and purposes, be it profit and loss, balance sheets, cash flow, capital and reserves, miscellaneous indicators, KPIs and ratios, growth and industry comparison. These previews follow best reporting practices and align with every financial or decision-making role within your organization. The Financials Overview aims to deliver a 360 perspective on your stakeholder solvency. A wider perspective on stakeholder creditworthiness is supplied by the Credit Risk Perspective, which we'll cover in the next video.